all.
Good
Good
evening,
evening,
sir.
sir. Today we are going to discuss about cloud computing and its security issues. Normally we are focusing only on cloud computing in nowadays because of more number of storages there in cloud computing process. Today we are going to discuss about those security issues which are available in cloud computing.
Let me discuss about what is cloud computing. Cloud computing is the delivered computing over the network, which performs many functions like networking, storage, power efficiency, security, etc. There are many deploys of cloud, which includes private cloud, public cloud, and hybrid cloud, which users can choose according to their uses.
There are some types of cloud computing like infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. Infrastructure as a service is used for virtual connection. It is the high level customization, and next is software as a service. Software as a service is used for software application. It is a limited level customization, and next third one is platform as a service. It is used for application development. It is a limited. It is also a limited level customization.
So as Vinita explained the types of cloud services, let me give you an example of a cloud service provider, which is Amazon Web Services, which is most widely used cloud service provider in our technological advancements. So to be precise, it has various features such as IAM user and root user, where the IAM user, we can access anything, and we can create as much databases as we can as we want, and we can also use a graphical user interface, as well as we can use command line prompts. So if there is any difficulties in using graphical user interface like the website, we can use it in the command prompt as well. So we can create databases in the graphical user interface as well as in the MySQL through the code. So it has various features, and it provides free tier for the students who needs to access the who needs to work on the cloud services, who needs to learn on the cloud services. And it also provides AWS Educate, in which there will be certification courses for who wanted to excel in the cloud computing and want to emerge as a cloud consultant.
As they said about what is cloud computing and the cloud services types. So now I'm going to discuss about the security issues in cloud computing. So mainly the first security issue is insecure APIs. So this insecure in cloud computing, this insecure APIs is mostly relies on APIs, and it is used for communication and integration. In this API, if the API is not in a secured manner, it can exploit by the attackers, so they can gain more authentication by the data. For example, if the API is if the API have an unauthorized mechanism or unauthorized access, so attackers can easily fetch the data from the cloud computing. So it is the main security issues in cloud computing.
First of all, we all are know about what is cloud. Cloud is mainly used for access and store the data from one connectivity to another connectivity. In the connectivity, we should face many security problems like data vulnerabilities. It is like which produce the data functions for performance and the maintenance charge is high.
Let me discuss about this more insecurities about this cloud computing. So mainly it has a wide storage of spacing in their cloud computing. In mainly it has stored more data, but it can be deleted, or it can be unauthorized by the some hackers or any vulnerabilities. So for this cloud computing, in there is a storage, it can be hacked by some hackers.
So since cloud has some advantages as well as disadvantages, we have to be aware that there is a lot of disadvantages, since it is a virtual network and it can be hacked through various modes. So we have to be aware, as well as we should make best use of the advantages.
So since we are having three type of operations on there, hybrid mode, private mode, and public mode. So the problem which is occur only in private mode, because most of them are not using their authentication through their mail. So that there may be possibility of errors for hackers. They're hacking their internet protocol ID address as well as their identification models, so that they can easily capturing their data through their networks. So even though the systems are modeling are good, very good functioning, but the authentication is the only issue for this cloud computing process. So thank you all for your valuable input to given the cloud computing model.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you, sir.